See, this is our new pit line just inaugurated by us. See, these are the technicalities we face. These are our DG set. Hello, Radhe Radhe. Welcome to my video. My name is Jay Gupta and I am currently working with the Indian Railways as a junior engineer. Today, I'll show you that I have been posted in Ramnagar and I have got the responsibility for starting a new pit line. And that is what we are currently working on. We have done a good job as regarding the train management and also the pit line management. The pit line is inaugurated by us. We are the first ones to inaugurate this pit line, and I'll show you that what we have done. We have also done the puja today at the midnight, and that too on the auspicious day of Ekadashi. Uh, we are very fortunate that we got the opportunity to do this part. Also, tried to shoot the video but couldn't. I'm just shooting this after my puja, and then I'll also add the puja video after this intro, and we'll show you. Come around with me, be with me, and I'll show you what I have done, what people see through my lens, that what we are doing, what we do normally as a junior engineer, and also we will try to do as much as focus as we can and to showcase you what a day looks like with us. See, these are the technicalities we face, we work with, and also the systems we work on. This is the FDSS panel which is installed to suppress the fire against. This is the whole system, this cylinder, these two cylinder, and I'll show you the big thing now. See, this is the DG set area. These are our DG set. These are the proper installation for that pipeline suppression system against the fire. See how big this is. And the main part is I will try to get these engines on and try to get you the sound which is the pure sound of a DG set. That is a thrill and another level thrill that we work on, pure mechanical sound. Before starting work here, we first performed a Vishwakarma Puja in our line of work. This is something many of us have been grown up seeing. Lord Vishwakarma is regarded as the divine architect and is worshipped by the engineers, though starting a new workplace with his blessing felt like a right away to beginning. Today wasn't just about inaugurating a new pit line, it was about a new beginning, a new hope, and a sense of responsibility. See, this is our new pit line just inaugurated by us. A very good, overwhelming feeling that I'm getting today. That in such a young age, I've got to do a honor with such great responsibilities. See, this is our pit line. This is our whole rate for the Ramnagar Dehradun Express. The maintenance work is currently going on. This is the first rake for the new pit line. These are the two catwalks through which we maintain our. This is actually the pit line. Below this catwalk, this is the catwalk. This is the catwalk area. Below this is underpit that I am pointing it out right now. This is the underpit area. Below this, we just rectify the faulty part or something.
Currently, it is just showing you under the light. Currently, it is 4 in the morning, and we have got a shift of whole midnight. We started by doing a puja at midnight, that is 0 o'clock by the railway time, and it is almost 4 a.m. If you can see, guys, this is 4 in the morning. We are on our duty. 4 in the morning, 4:07, in case you didn't get that. Very excited today, actually. That's why I'm making this video, to showcase and to remember my past, that what I have done at today's date, that is 26/06/26. Currently, the whole rig is under me, and I'm maintaining the rig. A very overwhelming feeling. I'm in the state of overwhelm and cannot be expressed such words which I literally do. So follow me for more such videos. Try to get you the experience with the railway, what a JE do to do your life easy, to get you the trains, to maintain for you, to maintain the trains for your safe journey, and also the amenities that we provide, that railway provides, actually. Not we provide, that railway provides. We just a part of a railway that try to get you the whole good experience of railways. Still trying to get you the best that I can, best possible thing. What I do is treat my work like worship, so that I never get any of the doubts to compromise with my integrity, with the railways integrity, and people's safety. As I was telling, that I have inaugurated this pit line, the new pit line. Also, I have performed my duties in the day also today, but for somewhat reason, I like this late night shift. I don't know why, but it's so satisfying that I'm enjoying this. See, a lot of people might not prefer night shifts, the routine, the body, that does not work for everybody. But for me, I'm enjoying this life, the day work, the night work. And even though I have done a lot of work today, like from 5 in the morning and till 7, then go back to my home, do dishes, do some work, made myself a good meal, then came back to my office at 11, manage everything, got everything for the puja and also the mithai, then inaugurated the pit line and came back to again for my duty as on 0 o'clock, and we'll be doing this shift till 10 in the morning. And I don't know why, I'm getting a feeling that I will be always be doing this shift only. That's so cool, calm, and feels so soothing today. I don't know why. Everything so good feeling. I don't know, trying to get this feeling. I've got a long time till I've got this feeling, a very satisfied feeling. And also told you about that generator. See, I'm here in the new power plant that was way back, and it was not on. And this one, I'll just get you the sound. आई नो अंदर कुछ नहीं सुनाई दे रहा होगा, बट दैट्स जस्ट प्योर 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 एंड प्योर साउंड. Engine people will know how it feels. Only they will relate to me. कैसा लगता है, कैसा फीलिंग होता है. That is just pure sound. गूज़बम्प आ जाते हैं सुन के साउंड को. बहुत ही प्यारी फीलिंग है. So then move to the next part.
I don't do this often, you caught me off guard. All of my friends said you moved out west. You tell me stories underneath sunsets. Could it be more than just one night? Kissing the cab ride, head turning left, right. Get a ticket for two to wherever you choose. Drinking some red out of the blue. You say my name with your accent, makes me remember.
So G, the update is here. So I got a nick of a time in which I took a shower, freshen up, and now it's 8:51, and I'm heading back towards my duty again. It's a never-ending duty. People seems to know that सरकारी जॉब is a टाइम free जॉब की उसमें बहुत आराम मिलता है लोगों को, बहुत ही मतलब काम नहीं करना पड़ता है सारी चीजें. बट हियर आई एम ब्रेकिंग द स्टीरियोटाइप्स. ऐसा नहीं होता है. काम बहुत सारा होता है. काम करने वालों के लिए काम होता है, तो कोई भी काम नहीं है. करने वालों के लिए तो काम ही नहीं खत्म होना है. तो बेटर कि आप उसे सीखें, रन करें. तो जब तक काम नहीं करेंगे तो रन ही नहीं करेंगे. तो जब भी मौका मिले काम करना चाहिए. थोड़ा बॉडी पे इफेक्ट होता है, बट इट इज गॉड. एट द एंड क्या होता है ना कि इन द अर्ली एज आप चीजों को बहुत ही आराम से हैंडल कर सकते. बॉडी भी इतना इफेक्ट नहीं लेती जितना लेटर स्टेज पे लेती है, कि बाद में अगर आपको काम ही नहीं आता हाउ विल यू परफॉर्म. तो इसीलिए डूइंग ऑल द थिंग्स दैट इज नेसेसरी टू कीप ग्रोइंग, लर्निंग, एंड ऑल्सो फॉर योर सेफ्टी. कंसर्निंग अबाउट दैट ऑल्सो कि सेफ्टी से कोई खिलवाड़ नहीं होना चाहिए. तो चलते हैं, करते हैं ड्यूटी. अभी ऑफिस पहुंचते हैं, देन वी विल अगेन गो बैक. एंड बाय द वे, इफ देयर इज अ डाउट दैट it's not in the morning, I'll show you the time. That the time is 8:53, and reaching towards office again. चलिए काम करते हैं. कुछ और अपडेट होता है, इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं, दिखाते हैं. कुछ चीजें कॉन्फिडेंशियल होती है, सो वी कांट शो. बाकी तो नॉर्मल चीजें सब दिखाते हैं. बाकी मैं भी दिखाता रहूंगा. It's always a blessing to have such kind of work, such dynamic life, to balance it out and everything. रास्ते में कोई ना कोई ऑफिस वाला मिलता रहता है. So I try to maintain a smile on my face all the time. Whenever somebody looks at me, or I just give them a smile, उनको भी अच्छा लगता है and मुझे भी. So ये छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं जो मैं फॉलो करता हूँ. If somebody doesn't follow this, I don't mind, but करनी चाहिए मेरी छोटी छोटी चीजें. उनको भी खुशी मिलती है और अपने को. तो मन खुश होगा तो काम में भी मन लगेगा. एंड नहीं, अगर हम जबरदस्ती कुछ चीज करते हैं तो चीजें फॉलो अप नहीं करती हैं, विच इज अ बिग कंसर्न टू मी. कि अगर मन से काम करते हैं तो यू वोंट फील द प्रेशर, यू वोंट फील द टाइम कि कितना टाइम आपको लग रहा है चीजों को लेके. You won't be energized in your work. So trying छोटी छोटी चीजें कि I will maintain my energy towards the work. And चलिए ऑफिस तक पहुंच ही गए. तो अगर कुछ है तो दिखाता हूँ आपको. बाकी मिलते हैं. back again. Now it's 11:20. See, 11:20. अब काम खत्म हुआ है, 5 मिनट पहले निकल के आया हूँ अपने ऑफिस से, और काफ़ी मज़ेदार दिन, मज़ेदार रात, काफ़ी लॉन्ग वर्किंग आवर्स हुए इस बार, काफ़ी मज़ा आया। बट जो हमने इतनी मेहनत करी उस पर अभी थोड़ा ब्रेक लगा है। जो भी हमने अभी नया रेक मेंटेन किया है वो भी होल्ड पे है एज मिसलेनियस रीजंस, क्योंकि मे बी वन ऑफ द मिनिस्टर्स और रेलवे मिनिस्टर्स और लोकल MLAs एंड CM ऑफ उत्तराखंड नहीं आ पाए हैं फॉर व्हाटसोएवर रीजन, वी डोंट नो। बट अभी चीज़ें होल्ड पे हैं एंड आगे होगी चीज़ें, फिर से मेहनत करेंगे, फिर से गाड़ी को मेंटेन करके बाकी सारी चीज़ें फॉलो अप देते हैं आपको। एंड इतना ही रखते हैं इस वीडियो में, काफ़ी लंबा हो जाएगा वीडियो, सारी चीज़ें दिखाएंगे आपको फ्रॉम स्टार्टिंग बाई न्यू पिट लाइन एंड अभी मेंटेन करके जो हमने दिन में बहुत सारा व्यतीत किया, सारा कैसे क्या काम किया वो आपको सब बताया, तो काफ़ी लंबा हो जाएगा वीडियो। सो आई विल नाउ टेक योर परमिशन टू एंड दिस वीडियो एंड थैंक यू फॉर वियरिंग मी एंड कीप लविंग मी। This is your boy Yash Gupta signing off.